Hello everyone. So this is the third part of rationalization. I hope you have already understood the concept of rationalization from the first and second video. So this is a video where we will discuss only the questions based on the rationalization, right? So let's discuss the first question. The question is you have to rationalize the denominator. So now just think about it. What should be the first step? I want to make the denominator as a rational number. So what I will do is I will multiply the conjugate, denominator conjugate. So what is the conjugate of this? This is I will multiply it root 6 plus 3 root 3 and divide by same number root 6 plus 3 root 3. Right? We can multiply same number in numerator and denominator. This is the equivalent fraction, correct? So can I say this is equal to, now I will start multiplying this. This is okay, root 6 plus root 3 into root 6 plus this is root 6 plus 3 root 3 divide by, what is this? This is a plus b into a minus b, root 6 square minus 3 root 3 square, right? I hope this is clear. A plus b into a minus b. Now we just need to simplify this. Now how will you simplify this? So let's start multiplying the bracket. The first numerator, root 6 into root 6, multiplying this, root 6 into root 6 plus root 6 into this. This is 3 root 3 into root 6 plus multiplying these two. This is root 3 into root 6 plus multiplying these two. This is root 3 into 3 root 3 divide by, what is this? Root 6 square is 6. So 3 root 3 square. Now what is 3 root 3 square? You can see this is 3 root 3 into 3 root 3. So what is this? This is 9 into root 3 into root 3 is 3, which is equal to 27. Otherwise you can directly say, what is 3 root 3 square? 3 square is 9, root 3 square is 3, 9 into 3 is 27. This is 27. Now what is this? Let's simplify. Root 6 into root 6 is 6. This is 3 root 18. 3 root 18. Okay. Or you can see, okay, let's first simplify this. This is root 18. This is root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into this 3. I have multiplied root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Divide by, this is 6 minus 27, this is minus 21, negative 21, right? Now see, if I simplify this further, so you can see 9 plus 6 is 15, this is 4 root 18 divide by minus 21, negative 21, right? Now just see, can you simplify this further? See, this is answer is correct, but always try to write the answer in the simplest form. So can you simplify this further? So just observe this. What is root 18? I can simplify this root 18. What is root 18? This is 9 into 2, root 9 into 2. What is root 9? Root 9 is 3. So this is 3 root 2. So can I say this is 15 plus 4 and this is 3 root 2 divide by minus 21. Now you just observe this, there is a factor of 3 which is common from numerator and denominator. So you can see this is, if I take 3 common from this, this is 5 plus 4 root 2 divide by minus 21. I hope this is clear. This is 5 into 3, 3 common, you have this, right? So you can cancel this. This will become minus 7, right? So this is 5 plus 4 root 2 divided by minus 7. You try to solve these questions, but first you pause the video and try to solve these questions, okay? So that is the final answer, 5 plus 4 root 2 divided by minus 7, okay? Let's talk about the next question. Write this expression as a single fraction with the rational denominator. So you have to simplify this fraction and you have to write this in a single fraction with denominator as a rational number. In numerator you will have something, but denominator has to be a rational number, and you have to write this in a single fraction. So now see how should we approach, how should we think about this question. So if you have to write the fraction, sum of two fractions, obviously you will have to take the LCM of these two, or you will multiply this, or you will write this as A upon B plus C upon D. You will multiply these two and write this, but in any ways you have to write this B into D, or if you take the LCM, accordingly you will modify this. Now for this, it is better to convert these two numbers in rational denominators first, because if you deal with rational numbers, it will be easy, correct. So let's talk about these two numbers separately. So if you talk about this first number, this is 3 plus 2 root 7 upon root 7 minus 2. I want to rationalize this. I am thinking that how can you convert this denominator to a rational number. So what I will do is, I will multiply and divide by its conjugate. This is how we convert to the rational number, rational denominator, right. So this number I am just trying to simplify, correct, the first number. Now what is this? This is A plus B into A minus B. So this is root 7 square minus 2 square. Now in numerator, I will now start directly multiplying this. This is 3 into root 7. This is 3 root 7. This is 3 into 2, that is 6, plus 2 into root 7 will be 2 root 7 into root 7. Root 7 into root 7 will become 7. So this is 2 root 7 will become 14. And this is 2 root 7 into 2. Now we will multiply these two also. So this is 4 root 7. So now what is this? You can see this is equal to 4 root 7 plus 3 root 7. This is 7 root 7. 4 plus 3 7, and this is 20. This is 20. Divide by, what is this? This is 7 minus 4, which is 3. So this is 3. So this is the first term we have simplified. This is the first term we have simplified. Now let's simplify the next term. Now what is the next term? You can see, I'll just simplify this here. I'll simplify here. This is 2 minus root 7. Divide by root 12 plus 3. Now before rationalizing this, just always remember, if we can simplify a surd first, then it makes sense, it makes calculations easy. So can I say root 12 can be easily written as, this is root 4 into 3, which is same as 2 root 3. So I can simplify this root 12, and I can say root 12 is basically 2 root 3 plus 3. 2 root 3 plus 3. Now to simplify this, I will rationalize 2 plus root 3 minus 3, 2 plus root 3 minus 3, minus 3. Now what is the denominator? This is a square minus b square, which is 2 root 3 square minus 3 square, correct? A square minus b square. Now multiplying these two, this is multiplied this 2 into 2 root 3, this is 4 root 3. 2 into 3, this is 6, but here we have negative, this is minus 6. Root 7 into 2 root 3, this is minus 2 root 3 into root 2, root 7. You can see root 7 to root 3, right? This is minus, negative into negative will become positive. We will multiply these two. So negative will become positive. This is plus root 7 into, this is 3. I hope this is clear, right? So this will become 4 root 3 minus 6 minus, this is 2 root 21. You can see this is root 7 into root 3 is 21, right? And this is plus 3 root 7 divide by. Now this is 12. You can see this is 12 minus 9. What is 12 minus 9? This is equal to 3. So you can see here what we have simplified is, we have simplified this separately and this separately. I hope this is clear. Now what we have to do is, we have to just add these two numbers. So, if you add this, so this will become, you can see this is 7 root 7 plus 20 divided by 3 plus this is 4 root 3 minus 6 minus 2 root 21 plus 3 root 7 divided by 3. Now, you can just observe that the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, I can directly add the numbers in numerator. So, can I say this is equal to, if you simplify this, you can see here, I will start adding the numbers. This is okay, let me write somewhere here. Let us simplify this here. Okay. So, what is this? This is 7 root 7 plus 20 plus 4 root 3 minus 6 minus 2 root 21 plus 3 root 7 upon 3. What I have done is I have just added the numerator term because denominator is same. Now, see, can you simplify this further? So, you can see this is 7 root 7, this is 3 root 7, 7 root 7 plus 3 root 7 will become 10 root 7. 20 minus 6, this is equal to 14, and the other terms you cannot simplify this further. So, this is 4 root 3 minus 2 root 21. So, what I have done is I have just combined these two and combined these two, divide by 3. So, this is our final answer simplified in a single fraction with the rational denominator. So, just try to understand the calculations which I am doing. Okay. So, for this you need to have the complete understanding of how to simplify the surds first. Okay. Now, let us talk about the next question. So, here you can see, rationalize the denominator for the expression this and write in the simplest form. Okay. So, you have to simplify this, basically you have to rationalize the denominator. Now, see, in this particular question you have to write the answer in the simplest form. So, it is always again advisable, can you simplify the terms first. So, you can see we have root 18 which I can simplify, root 8 which I can simplify, root 98 which I can simplify. How can you simplify this? You can see what is root 18, this is root 9 into 2. What is square root of 9? This is 3 and root 2. What is square root of 8? This is 4 into 2 square root. Now, what is square root of 4? This is 2. So, this is 2 root 2. What is root 98? 98 you can say this is 49. This is 49 into 2. What is 49 into 2? That is square root of 49 is 7. This is 7 root 2. So, I can see this expression first can be written as, what is root 18? This is 3 root 2 minus, what is root 8? Root 8 is 2 root 2 divide by 2 plus 3. What is root 98? Root 98 is 7 root 2. Now, can I say this is same as, what is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2? This is only root 2, 1 root 2 basically, correct? And this is 7, this is 2 plus 7 into 3 is 21, this is 21 root 2. I hope this is clear, correct? Now, or you can say this is 21 root 2 plus 2, right? Now, if you rationalize this, you can multiply this 21 root 2 minus 2 upon 21 root 2 minus 2, right? Or you can multiply 2 minus root 21 also, final answer will be same. Okay. So, now see this is, okay. So, now what is the expression? This is 7 root 2, fine. So, now this is root 2 multiplied with 21 root 2 minus 2 divide by, what is this? A plus b into a minus b, which is 21 root 2 squared minus 2 squared. Now, what is this? This is root 2. If I multiply this, root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So, this is 21 into 2 minus 2 root 2 divide by, you can see just multiplying this bracket, 21 root 2 into root 2 will become 2, and this is 2 root 2. What is 21 root 2 square? This is 21 square is 441 and root 2 square is 2 minus 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. So, if I simplify this, this is, you can see this is 42 minus 2 root 2, and this is 882 minus 4. 882 minus 4. So, you can say this is equal to 42 minus 2 root 2 upon 882 minus 4, you can say this is 878, right. And now you can see if I further cancel the common factor, you can see I have a common factor of 2 also here. So, what is this? This is 221 minus root 2 divide by, this is 878, which I can cancel, this will become 4, and this is 39. So, what is the answer? This is 21 minus root 2 divided by 439. That will be the answer for this question. I hope this is clear. Just the calculation, just focus on first how we simplified this, then simple rationalization. The only thing is here you can use calculator to get the calculations. Okay. So, now let us talk about the next question. So, now see, the question says if 6 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is simplified to 3 root 2 minus a root 3, then find the value of a. So, basically the question is asking you, if you simplify this, this converts to this, then find the value of this a. So, what we will do is we will first simplify the LHS, left hand side we will simplify. So, what is this? 6 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. I want to simplify this, so I will rationalize this. This is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 divide by, sorry, plus this is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. What I have done is I have just rationalized the denominator, right. So, this is equal to what? 6 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by a plus b into a minus b, which is 3 root 2 squared minus 2 root 3 squared. Now, just observe this. This is 6 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Let us simplify the denominator first. A square minus b square, right. So, this is 3 square is 9, root 2 square is 2 minus 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. So, which is 18 and this is 12. So, this is, you can see 18 minus, this is 6 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divide by 18 minus 12, which is equal to 6. So, you can see the 6 and 6 gets cancelled out. So, this is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So, the question is, this simplifies to this, and now see they are saying this is equal to, they are saying this is equal to what? 3 root 2 minus a root 3. So, if I just compare, you can see this term and this term is same, this root 3 and root 3 is same. So, can I say minus a is basically 2? You can see minus a is equal to 2, just comparing these two. So, what is the value of a? A is equal to negative of 2. So, what is the answer? This a is equal to minus 2, negative 2, right. I hope this is clear. This just comparing, just simplified this and compared this with this expression, you will have the answer for this question, which is a equal to minus 2. I hope this is clear. Now, just observe the second question here, the next question here. Now, this is exactly same question. This simplifies to 2 minus b root 6, then find the value of b. So, if you simplify this, I will quickly do this. You can pause the video and check. This is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 multiplied with its conjugate 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divide by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So, can I say this is a squared minus b squared? This is 3 root 2 squared minus 2 root 3 square. We just simplified this in the previous question, right? What is this? If I start multiplying, this is 3 root 2 into root 2. So, this is 3 root 2 into root 2 plus multiplying this root 2 here, this is 2 root 3 into root 2 plus multiplying this 2, this is 3 root 2 into root 3 plus this multiplied root 3 with this term, this is 2 root 3 into root 3. So, what is this? Root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6 plus this is 2 root 6, root 3 into root 2 is root 6, 3 root 2 into root 3 is root 6, and this is root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6 upon this is, we have just simplified this, this is 18 minus 12 which is equal to 6. In the previous question only we simplified this, right. So, what is this? You can see this is 6 plus 6 is 12 plus this is, you can see, 5 root 6 divided by 6. Now, just observe this, they are saying this is simplified, basically this is simplified to this. Now, you see here the first term they are saying this is 2, and you can see, can I say this is same as 12 divided by 6 plus 5 root 6 divided by 6. Just observe this, 12 divided by 6 plus 5 divided by 5 root 6 divided by 6. If you take this, they are like fractions. So, the denominators will become same 6 and numerator they will add. What is 12 by 6? This is equal to 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6, alright, 5 by 6 root 6. Now, they are saying this is equal to, basically this simplifies to, we have simplified this, this is 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6. This is equal to, now this simplified, and they are saying this is equal to 2 minus b root 6. So, if I compare, you can see 2 to root 6 root 6. So, what is b? If I take this 2, should be equal. So, that is minus b should be equal to 5 by 6, that is b equal to minus 5 by 6. So, what is the answer? B is equal to minus 5 by 6. So, that is it for this question. I hope you have understood this, how to solve these type of questions. So, that is it for these concepts of rationalization. I hope you have understood this. Now, just practice, you will get the questions and concept of rationalization. So, that is it for this question. Thank you. Bye bye.